like coming here to the Wānanga. I like to listen to everything they have to say. It makes me understand it more and why they do all these things. Stuff with the environment. I love just being outdoors with all the nature and the environment around.
Yeah, got the kids coming over tonight to show them the drains. So yeah, I haven't been here for over 10 years myself. Well, I've been here and been past here, but haven't had a hook in the drains for over 10 years. So it's quite good to be back.
I've never been to Wairewa to get eels, and didn't need to go down that far. But Lake Forsyth, I've been there since a young boy, young fella. Yeah, and getting eels, yeah. Well, it was exciting, and to go eeling is like anything, because it's only a certain time of the year you went.
Well, Perry's he's the one who's really in charge of it, and he's taking all the youngsters down there tonight to give them a bit of experience about how we used to catch the eels in the old days.
So Uncle Perry taught us how to make these gaffs from scratch, and now we're going to go eeling tonight with them. Catch some massive ass eels.
I never knew how exactly they got eels out of the drains. I knew they came in and they caught them, but I was so inquisitive, but I never knew. Now I know that they use sticks with hooks on the ends.
Well, my name's Humweta Robinson and I'm 11 years old and I come from Wairewa. And it's like my dream home. Yeah, I really like it out here. Really peaceful. Yeah.
This is probably one of the first times we've done it for the young children. It's probably one of the first times I can remember anyway. Well, it's the right time of the year for the eels. They're trying to get out to the big sea and that.
So we'll go over there tonight and wait for it to get dark, and hopefully there's some eels poking up the drains trying to migrate, and we'll gaff them out. Just one of the main things is just the kids touching base with other kids, getting to know other kids that they should probably already know but they don't, and because of this Wānanga they've got to know them quite well, and they'll remember them for life and their names.
What we're going to do is get down there in the daylight and practice on our fake tuna, polystyrene tuna. So we'll put them in the drain up the top end and let them come down, and the kids can have a gaff along the side, have a practice for when it gets dark. They've all got names: Aaron, Rick, Jack, John, Jim.
You just got to be quiet, let the eels drift in, and there's been a few come in last night, and hopefully tonight we'll get a feed, show the kids how to gaff and take them back to Ōnuku and prepare them on the whānau at home. So,
cool.
So I've got to get back over there and sort this lot out. And it seems to be the ones from Ōnuku seem to be the loud ones.
Like all our kids last night were excited, but yeah, they were a bit tougher on them. They just quieting down and won't let us talk. You know, they'll say, "Oh, those old buggers, they made us keep quiet."
My kids have come up to me and asked me, you know, where I'm from and all that. And some of it I can answer and some of it I can't. Yeah, so that's the whole point of this, is for my children. I mean, I'm still learning, but they're coming along with me, which is great.
Oh yeah, it'd be so fun to come do the eeling again.
It's not just the one person driving it, it takes all of us as a small community to drive this hui. When we see it on the schedule for the marae, we constantly think, yeah, we get that weekend free.
I think the biggest thing is just it's fueled our thirst to know more.
From this fella here, from Wairewa meeting up with his cousins, for me that was a success. He's a townie boy, but he comes out here, he thinks this is his home now. They've all got to know each other now, and that's one of the successes of this whole program, is our kids, our kaimoana, our fishing. These kids will be able to do that after we're gone, to carry our practices on. Melina with the net, that was something special. We've got net makers, and we've got some who think they can make a net like me, but she made the net. I've used that net and fished with it, and we had it out overnight for the Wānanga. We had it Wairewa, and we got 53 flounders out of it. That net was set for fishing, and she done all that by herself. The kids have enjoyed the meals, a weekend away from home, and just getting to know their cousins and being relaxed with their cousins now. I've seen where at the start they wouldn't talk to each other, but now everyone's running around together, so it's a success. Shut up.
Mm-hmm.